I'm going to go back to the drawing part. So the detail part can be accessed by right-clicking on sheet 1 and selecting Open 3D Data. You want to use this technique to make sure you hold your part and your drawing together so they don't break the link. As I change the part, the drawing should change with it. So I'll go to Open 3D Data, open my pad, and double-click my Sketch 1. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to use this corner under the Sketch tab. Under the Sketch tab, I can select corner, select this line, and select this line. Notice those lines aren't touching. It doesn't matter. I just drag my cursor about where I want it, and I can click a location, and it puts in a dimension, and then I could double click it to change the value. I'll change it to 3/4 of an inch, and there you have a corner. All right, I'll do another corner on the other side. Again, I use the corner feature and select these two lines to put in a corner. When I click a position, I can double click this and change it to 3/4 of an inch. See my other videos on how to link these together as one. With those being the same here, I'm going to exit the Sketch Workbench environment. My part is now changed to have radiuses instead. I'll go back to my drawing. Notice it has yellow marks on there. Anytime it has yellow marks, you want to make sure you go to the standard and find the update sheet. So it's let me know something has changed about the solid, and I have to do an update, and look, it has these corners in there. It doesn't know to delete this dimension, so we simply select on that and hit delete. Looks like it has some extraneous geometry we're going to have to delete out, but I just want to show you how to go to annotate and do the radius call out. Again, there's no radius call out, so you select dimension. When I select the curve, it knows to do a radius. The only thing is it's defaulting to a diameter. So if it defaults to the wrong thing, you have to click and right click. Ah, shoot. I had to right click first. Even if you don't, you should be able to right click on it and go to swap to radius. So right click to get your contextual menu up, find your dimension object, and find swap to radius. This is how you swap back and forth from radius to diameter. Now, again, comes in the wrong way. I have to move this up. This single arrowhead is standard ISO. We're going to go to properties. Do you remember what to change to put the shoulder on? Two parts. That's found under the dimension line tab. Its defaults to single arrowhead. Select apply and OK. You notice it has a shoulder on there. I have to right click and go to properties and change this value. So I change the tab value to numdink that. And we're going to go to 4 precision to do ASME. Apply and OK. That's how you get a radius call out.